lot of times, especially in today's world, we're told that our mess is our success.
Mhm.
And people share about very personal, intimate challenges they've gone through. And I understand that. And I think that if that is done without a hook and hinge, and a hook and hinge are three you questions at the end of a story. Are you going through something like this? Have you ever had something like this? What did you do to pull yourself out it? Now we've made our story their story. Now they're relating to this instead of just dumping something happening to us, as you said, where people are feeling sorry for us, but they're thinking, and what does this have to do with the theme of our conference? What does this have to do with how I can be a better leader back at work? So I really believe this hook and hinge is the bridge between sharing something that we've experienced or are going through, and then asking in a way that people go, yes, that's going on right now. Yes, that happened. And then maybe even asking for their input so they have a voice and they get to be the sage on the stage instead of us just being a platform talking about the stuff that we've gone through.
Yeah.